ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà kí ló wá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú Nàìjíríà báyìí for God's sake kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé bá ṣe máa fẹ́ máa bá lọ ní Nàìjíríà náà lélẹ́yìí ṣé bá ṣe fẹ́ máa bá lọ ní Nàìjíríà náà lélẹ́yìí tí Mr. Yomi Fabiyi òun la rí tá a ṣe ń wí a tún gbọ́ pé wọ́n ti gbé Very Dark Man báyìí a gbọ́ pé wọ́n ti gbé Very Dark Man ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ni Very Dark Man ṣe kí ni reason tí wọ́n ṣe gbé now gbígbé èyí sìn kò wá tí clear sí wa àwọn kan ní EFCC ni àwọn kan ní àwọn ọlọ́pàá ni àwọn kan ní àwọn tó ń jí ni gbé àwọn ni wọ́n jí gbé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ èwo la fẹ́ tẹ̀lé èwo la fẹ́ tẹ̀lé wọ́n ní VDM ó tẹ̀lé màmá ẹ̀ lọ sí bank ní GTB bank láti lọ bá màmá ẹ̀ clear àwọn owó kan I don't know maybe loan or no loan I don't know wọ́n nínú bank ni wọ́n ti wá arrest ẹ̀ bóyá àwọn ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n daṣọ bojú ni o bóyá VDM ni wọ́n náà daṣọ bò lójú ni o àti ẹ̀wà mẹ́ni tó daṣọ bojú ní gbogbo wọn báyìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ irú orílẹ̀-èdè wo la wà yìí for God's sake níbo là ń bá orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lọ ó ṣe jẹ́ pé gbogbo àwọn tó bá ti ń sọ òótọ́ báyìí àbí gbogbo àwọn tó bá ti ń jàjàǹgbara fún mẹ̀kúnnù fún àwọn tí wọn ò lágbára gbogbo àwọn tó bá ti ń jà fún wọn báyìí gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n máa ń dì pẹ̀lú gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n máa ń fẹ́ mú balẹ̀ ẹ wo Tàlàjí Àmsà tó rí Yọmí náà torí wípé ó ń jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn ó ń jà fáráàlú oore lásán ló ṣe ẹ ò bọ́n ṣe fẹ́ fi kó bá Mr. Yomi Fabiyi náà tó ń jà fún justice for Mohbad àìmọye ìgbà ló ti fèsì attack tí wọ́n ti fẹ́ gbẹ̀mí ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti fẹ́ mú kó lọ́nà ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ṣé bá ṣe fẹ́ máa bá lọ náà lélẹ́yìí now wọ́n dẹ̀ ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn kinní yìí láti máa fi dẹ́rù bà wá láti máa fi kó wa láyà jẹ òun náà dẹ̀ ló bá wa débi tá a délé nìyí òun ló bá wa débi tá a délé nìyí wọ́n kàn ń gbẹ̀mí èèyàn bó ṣe wù wọ́n kàn ń jiyàn gbé nígbà tó bá kàn tiẹ̀ wù wọ́n tí ò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó ń bi wọ́n nílùú tó lọ́ba tó níjòyè a ní president a ní gọ́fúnà a lọ́ba a lọ́lọ́pàá a ní àmì irú àwọn nǹkan báyìí dẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìlú Nàìjíríà tí ò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú mi tó kéré sí Nàìjíríà kò tónú lẹ́lẹ́mbẹ́ lásán kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ bá ti wá solution sí ẹ wo gbà tó ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bọ̀ nínú ìlú Nàìjíríà a dẹ̀ ń pe ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lówe ó dẹ̀ ń láàrọ̀ nínú à ń pọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lówe ó ń láàrọ̀ nínú à ń pọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lówe ó dẹ̀ ń láàrọ̀ nínú ẹ wo bí tá a bára wa lérè nì gbogbo àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè tó kù wọ́n ti sọ Nàìjíríà lẹ́nu wọ́n ti sọ Nàìjíríà di ìlú górígórí wọ́n ti sọ Nàìjíríà di ìlú oníjìbìtì àwa ayé kan náà ní ìlú górígórí àwa ayé kan náà ní oníjìbìtì kò sílùú tá a fẹ́ wọ̀ báyìí ọ̀tọ̀ láyé wa ní ọ̀tọ̀ láyé wa ní eléyìí ò dẹ̀ kó ìtìjú bá àwọn olórí wa kò dẹ̀ kó ìtìjú bá àwọn ọlọ́pàá wa kò kó ìtìjú bá àwọn ọba wa tán bá ti rí green passport ń sìn ọ̀tọ̀ láyé ẹni kódà mo máa ń sọ kí nìyẹn kí wà àtẹ̀yàn jọ gbéra ní Nàìjíríà báyìí àtàwọn ẹlẹ́yà míì tí gbogbo yín jọ wọ pléènì ní Nàìjíríà báyìí kẹ́ máa lọ sí France bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe dé France báyìí gbàngàn àbẹ́ dé UK báyìí gbàngàn àbẹ́ dé China báyìí gbàngàn tó bá ti rí green passport ẹ báyìí ọ̀tọ̀ láyé àwọn tẹ́ ẹ jọ land sí France wọ́n ti gbé taxi wọ́n ti gbé Uber wọ́n ti gbé Testify wọ́n ti délé wọn wọ́n ti ń jàmàlà àbí ọ̀wọ̀wọ̀ tẹ́fà tó bá fẹ́ jẹ àbí ṣàwámà ni wọ́n ń jẹ wọ́n ti jẹ wọ́n ti wẹ̀ wọ́n ti relax lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì wọ́n ti ń wo TV ìwọ sì wà ní airport níbi tó gbé ti ń scrutinize yẹ tó gbé ti ń interrogate yẹ látàrí kíni látàrí passport yẹn lásán tó rí àwọn olórí wa dẹ̀ mọ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ̀ gbogbo kíní yìí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa ní Nàìjíríà wọn ò dẹ̀ find solution sí corruption yìí kàn gorí corruption sí ìwà àbàjẹ́ yìí kàn gorí ìwà àbàjẹ́ yìí sí ni gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí yẹn jọ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ jọ wọ́n tún ti gbé Very Dark Man ẹ jẹ́ bá mi share fídíò yìí kó go viral ẹ jọ fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe ẹ subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV ẹ wá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀gbọ́n Very Dark Man bóyá àbúrò ẹni àtọlọ́pàá kan náà tó sọ̀rọ̀ àti gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ẹ wá gbọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe analyse ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kó má dàbẹ̀ kí bóyá èmi lọ̀rọ̀ ń dùn lẹ́nu ẹ̀ tó ń sọ ẹ wá gbọ́.
Commissioner of Police and Force Operations Officer of Nigerian Police Force all the way from the force headquarters here in Abuja. From the Nigerian Police Force, our job is to enforce the law. There are provisions of the law, either the criminal code, penal code, and even the cyber crime prohibition Act of 2015 or 2024 as amended. I followed my mom to the bank and he posted that yes, so he's in GT Bank and they are trying to sort out things and the bank actually complying with him. Next moment I got a call from my mom. She was crying that policemen came and arrested my brother.
Mama ló ń kéyàn o.
The man wey carry 50 million give.
Mama Very Dark Man òun ló ń kéyàn o.
Na kidnapper, na kingpin, na him the man be. He's a notorious criminal. GTV Bank, please come and tell us the whereabouts of Very Dark Man. The last place we know we saw him was inside your bank. Martins should actually answer to that, in the sense that he wanted to expose the dark side of Nigeria, very things that Fisayo had said many years ago, since 2019. The country is doomed for real, and there's no coming back from it. To have acted without due regard to proper process or even the facts of the matter, then the necessary action will be taken once it is brought to the attention of the National Judicial Council. Which is the elite class. It has never been about policing Nigerians. What of Okoya's son that was spraying money? Has he been charged with courts? The videos flying everywhere with the policemen scaling fences with masks. Have they been investigated? Hi everybody, welcome back to Planet TV News Gist and Blog. A lot of you must have heard that VDM was arrested or was kidnapped. As the case may be, because his arrests have caused a lot of misreactions on Nigerian social space.
Or EFCC àti Awon.
Know what are the reasons they arrested him and who arrested him. Some are saying it was police, while others are saying it is EFCC. But we're going to walk you guys step by step. We think that he was arrested. First of all, I want you guys to watch this particular video of his friend Coco P, who broke the news that VDM was arrested, and we'll be right back to give you the rest details. And GTV Bank, please come and tell us the whereabouts of Very Dark Man. The last place we know we saw him was inside your bank. Very Dark Man has been missing for the past few hours. It's alleged that some police officers came to arrest Very Dark Man inside the GTV premises. Please come and tell Nigerians where Very Dark Man is. Is this a move to cover up your tracks? Because the last time we saw Very Dark Man was inside your bank. You don't have any right to come and pick up anybody like that. GTB, are you trying to cover your crimes? You think you can come and take most money without... Please, tell us where Very Dark Man is now, because we don't know. All efforts to look for him have been unsuccessful. We want to know where is VDM. Immediately make this particular video. Boom, the whole social space, there were a lot of confusion, curiosity. People want to know who arrested him and why did they arrest him. In the previous case, people were saying, oh, it was police. But later on, information started coming out from different angles based on other news personalities and certified newspapers started writing all kinds of articles about him. Now, this leads us to the next chapter. Now, his brother came out to break the news, to give his own details accordingly, that this is the reason he thought they arrested VDM. And I want you guys to watch what his brother said. We'll be right back. I followed my mom to the bank and he posted that, yes, so he's in GT Bank and they are trying to sort out things and the bank actually complying with him. Next moment, I got a call from my mom. She was crying that policemen came and arrested my brother. On what basis? Is it a crime that you come and speak out for Nigeria when people are blind? Or is it a crime that you come out and make people see when they can't see? I don't understand. Like, what is going on? What is this guy's crime, for Christ's sake? Why do you guys keep coming for this guy? See, I don't have a problem with the police people because you guys are just people where you you are just putting on uniform. But then, waiting they do this country, which now feel like saying I'm going to use power anyhow. Waiting is doing I go arrest them. What is going on in Nigeria, for Christ's sake?
Don't know.
Now, immediately, brother make this particular video. Then Coco P came out again and to raise an alarm that VDM was not arrested, but he was kidnapped. Kidnapped by who? Some said EFCC. Me, I don't know. But some people are still saying it is police. Though his lawyer has also released a statement. We will get back to that. But I want you guys to watch what Coco P is now saying. Bro, I feel for VDM, Mama, pass anybody today. Imagine you see your son being dragged like a common thief. See, the problem won't get for you now. Now, VDM I blame. I blame VDM for always wants to tell Nigerians more than they deserve. Always wants to carry people along. The same people who are here happy that he has been arrested. But who will punish them for what they have been arrested with him. What did happen? Go pay Momsi case for GTB and they go carry Momsi to the make we go bank. I said, okay, no, what I'm gonna go. Next time they hear, evidence confirm say VDM reached the CSO for the bank. GTB bank is an accomplice in this. It's a conspiracy. VDM tell us, okay, I want to go. The man say, wait, now don't worry, they'll tell people, wait. Before you know, they don't call police. Lock street door, that's not thief. Black van, a van pulled up. Lock VDM and Zipa beside the door, security door. As soon as they come, they wear them marks close with their head, let's kidnap them. They didn't pick them. They beat them, what did they do? What did they do? Did you issue many arrest warrants before? Did you invite that did not come? You didn't beat him. The common one that went to fight for his mother. All these things happen in front of the mother's presence. God.
Can you imagine?
You want to watch the BTP go help and fight for your money?
Shengbo.
GTB Bank. So this is what you do to people who come to complain about their money they give you to sell. GTB Bank. God. We have to beating him. We are going to lie give people for the of the DSS. So that we don't know where we'll find and go. You people want him to die from the inflicted things. You people want him to die because your aim is to kill you there. Your aim is to kill you there. What do you plan to achieve? What do you plan to achieve? Tell me. Yes, what do you plan to achieve? Okay, the first everybody speak up for the people you people who oppress illegally. The people who are in government who steal money, what do you do to them? I want for people to bring your official statement now. Let's hear your offense you put to this video. Let's hear. Because I hear one post they talk say it's about NGO. Don't fire anybody to say it's about NGO. It's not about NGO. This is about what VDM knows. This is about innovation VDM knows against the EFCC. No problem. Once I can put that shit for VDM rather die than join now. I even want to kill him now. I will tell Nigerians about the poison and the no problem. No wahala. Why I continue? You don't do that this weekend now. No wahala. We watch now. Nigerian youths, please pay attention. Pay attention to how they treat the person that cares about people. Pay attention. Stop fooling yourself.
Nigerian youth. We need to pay attention.
Immediately after Kokopi said this, I started doing my own personal research. So say, okay, maybe I'll wait a little while to see if VDM will be later released. But unfortunately, they did not release him. In my own research, I came across this particular video of Don Azza. He made his own analysis of funding and compiled it together to let people know that this is what he found out that happened to VDM. I want you guys to watch this video with us. We'll be right back. Hello, breaking news. Haaa reporters. Breaking. GTBank orders arrest of social media influencer, Very Dark Man, for complaining about alleged unauthorized debits. That's what I say for Sahara reporters. Okay? Also make a search more. VDM has been arrested. The Nigerian police have allegedly detained Martins Bissett, popularly known as Very Dark Man in Abuja. VDM was arrested by the police at GTBank today. Deji Adeaju said legit.ng. As I saw this, I have to make a wrong go Deji Twitter page. It also just in. VDM arrested by the police at GTBank. Spoke to them before he was arrested. This is absolutely unacceptable. Demanding accountability is not a crime. Okay? I can't say this one again. It talks say the same Deji. A team of policemen arrested VDM at GTB. He was arrested with his friend, Sipa, but they left his mom alone. Okay, and so I see him for a page. I all remember say yesterday, Very Dark Man, the Haaa's report. Popular Nigerian social media personality and influencer Magic Vincent Ossi, widely known as Very Dark Man, has been arrested by the Nigerian police in Abuja on the order of Ghana Trust Bank GTBank, following his public complaints about alleged unauthorized debit from his mother bank account. Confirming the arrest to Sahara reporters on Friday, Barrister Deji Adeaju, legal counsel for Very Dark Man, said officers of the Nigerian police force apprehended his client at Area 3, Abuja. The arrest was reportedly initiated by GTBank after Very Dark Man made complaints about repeated debits from his mother's account in the name of loan repayments. Deji said, my client, Very Dark Man, was arrested today in Abuja by the Nigerian police. His only offense was speaking out about suspicious and repeated debits from his mother's GTBank account for loans she never took. So, I'm going to go Very Dark Man's space to make us see whether I don't talk this matter. As he said 3 hours ago, now this one came before all those reports. Myself and my mom just arrived GTBank to get an explanation for the constant debit from my account from GTBank in the name of loan repayment that she never took. In this year alone, see the amount of time she has been debited with different amounts. We have requested a bank statement so we know when the debit started. The debit started. So far in this year alone, there have been more than 7 debits or loan repayment. GTBank staff are cooperative. Hopefully, we know why they keep doing this.
Gbogbo kí tó wò mí, mo pẹ́ ti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn dáadáa. Ó dàbẹ̀ ní pé kíní set up ni. Wọ́n fi tan Very Dark Man wá sí bank láti fi ráyè arrest ẹni. Ó dàbẹ̀ pé wọ́n ní Very Dark Man ó mú àṣírí àwọn EFCC. Wọ́n fẹ́ kó join ni wọn, kò dẹ̀ join ni wọn. Ó dàbẹ̀ ní pé torí ẹ̀ òun ni wọ́n ṣe plan ní kópò yìí fún. Báwo lẹ ṣe máa ní èèyàn máa sanwó lóònù tí ó gbà tí ó lò? So possible ṣá. Òun ni Very Dark Man tó tẹ̀lé yẹ lọ sí bank láti lọ clarify pé lóònù wo lẹ ní àwọn fẹ́ san tí àwọn ò gbà. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tó bá gba lóònù òun ló ń san lóònù. Ibi tó gbé ti ń drag yẹn lọ́wọ́ làwọn ọlọ́pàá ti dé. Ṣé ẹ ti rí pé kíní lójú ti tèmi o ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin náà lè fi ọkàn yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó bá jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe rí lójú ti tèmi allegedly lójú ti tèmi bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe wò set up ni láti fi capture Very Dark Man. Now a ò mọ particular àwọn tó arrest ẹ̀ báyìí àwọn kan ní EFCC àwọn kan ọlọ́pàá àwọn kan ní wọ́n jí gbé ni. Ẹ̀yin youth ẹ dìde ẹ̀yin youth nǹkan kò gbọdọ̀ ṣe Very Dark Man. Ẹ̀yin youth ẹ dìde o. Wọ́n ní kú tó ń pojú gba ẹni òwe ló ń pa fún ni o. Ó jẹ́ pé gbogbo ẹni tó bá ti ń takú ìwà ìbàjẹ́ gbogbo àwọn èèyàn yẹn náà máa mú balẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n ṣàfi ń kó ìbẹ̀rù sí wa lọ́kàn ká ṣàfi wọ́n lẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìwà ìbàjẹ́ wọn. A fi wọ́n lẹ̀ láti yọ ọdún yìí náà ló jẹ́ ká bára wa níbi tá a bára wa yìí. Ó kàn get worse every day. Gbogbo kí tó ń wò mí mo gbàládùá ẹ ò ní sọmọ nù bí òkú. Ẹ ò ní rí gbé sọnù bí òṣèbí ọmọ. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí. Fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV. Ẹ subscribe gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe. Kudos sí yín mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Iná ò ní tọ́wọ́ yín. Ọwọ́ tẹ́ ẹ fi tẹ subscribe yẹn ẹ ò ní fi gbọ́mọ sí lágbára Èdùmàrè. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe náà ó yá ẹ subscribe kájọ máa jẹ̀gbádùn ètò yìí lọ. Ẹ share ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn rí nǹkan tó ń lọ. Láti ìjẹta ni mo ti àbí lẹ́yìn àtànà òun ni mo ti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn mo kàn wò pé no mi ò tí ì get confirmation until tí mo rí ní Sahara reporter ó ní mo ṣe wò pé ó dàbẹ̀ ní pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí òótọ́ ni. O mo sọ pé máa jáde máa wá sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ènìyàn máa wá fi tó ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi létí pé wọ́n tún ti gbé Very Dark Man o. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan méjì tí wọ́n torí ẹ̀ gbé kò ju wípé ó ń tàṣírí àwọn ọ̀bàyéjẹ́ ó ń tàṣírí àwọn ọ̀daràn ó ń tàṣírí àwọn jẹgúdújẹrá. Ẹ dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé tó bá ti ń tàṣírí àwọn jẹgúdújẹrá àwọn ọ̀daràn ọ̀tá ló máa jẹ́ fún wọn especially nílùú wáyé nílùú Nàìjíríà yìí ìwọ tó bá ti ń tàṣírí ọ̀daràn ó ti dọ̀tí. Ẹ má jà dákẹ́ o ẹ má jà dákẹ́ o tá a bá dákẹ́ tààrà wa máa bá wa dákẹ́ o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká pariwo wọn síta ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ́gun wọn síta ẹ jẹ́ ká fẹ̀dí wọn síta bí afẹ́fẹ́ tó fẹ́ tá a fi rí fún ẹdìyẹ ẹ jẹ́ ká pariwo wọn ẹ jẹ́ ká fẹ̀dí wọn because tá a bá lọ dákẹ́ wọ́n lè silent bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn o tó bá dé silent yẹ kò sí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe sí kó tó di pọ́n máa silent ẹ jọ ẹ jẹ́ ká tètè pariwo síta níbo náà gbé sí níbo ló wà police station wo ló wà kọ́ make sure pé àwọn èèyàn rí police station tó wà tó bá ti rí police station tó wà kí lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó ṣe kí lẹ̀sùn tẹ́ fi kàn because nísìn according to the story yìí sì mi ò rò pé tangible ẹ̀sùn kan wà tí wọ́n fi kàn wọ́n dọ́gbọ́n tọ̀ lọ sí báǹkì yẹn láti fi ráyè carry out operation yẹn ni wọ́n lẹ́nìkan tó deposit owó sínú àkáǹtì yẹ 419 ni oníjìbìtì ni ẹ̀kíní kan ni ó lè jẹ́ pé ara wọn náà ni wọ́n lò pé fowó yìí sínú àkáǹtì yẹn báǹkì á invite ẹ̀ kò sí bí ó ṣe ní tẹ̀lé yẹ lọ sí báǹkì ibi tá a ti máa mú nìyẹn to me ẹ̀yin náà ẹ lè fi ọkàn yín hàn ẹ fi ọkàn yín hàn oníkálukú ló ní opinion kan títẹ̀ opinion tèmi lèmi sọ èrò tèmi rò bí mo ṣe gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn set up ni bóyá èyí tó wá lè mú àṣírí yẹn ju èmi lọ ẹ̀yin náà lè fi ọkàn tí hàn lábẹ́ comment section ẹ ṣe gan àwọn onírìnjú báyìí lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Very Dark Man ẹ jọ ẹ má jẹ́ ká bo ẹnu ẹ jẹ́ ká pariwo síta àwọn pípù yìí ìlérí ibú ni wọ́n àgbàrá òjò wọn kò sọ pé òun ò ní léwó onílé tiwa ni ò ní gbà fún ẹ má jẹ́ ká bò wọn o tá a bá ti ń bò wọn wọn a máa pa wá jayé ni o ẹ wo bí tá a bára wa ẹ wo Nàìjíríà tá a bára wa lénìí so àsìkò tá a lè dèrè gbára wa náà lélẹ́yìí tó bá ti ń gbé wa ní tútù ká máa gbé fún wọn ní gbígbóná tó bá ṣe ń gbé wa ní tútù ká máa gbé fún wọn ní gbígbóná ẹ jọ ẹ má jẹ́ ká bu ẹnu ẹ̀yin youth nǹkan kan gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe Very Dark Man nǹkan kan gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe o bó ṣe ń lépa Yomi Fabiyi náà nìyẹn bó ṣe fẹ́ ti ọ̀gá orí Yomi mọ́lé náà nìyẹn forever gbogbo ọ̀nà tó bá lè fi silent èèyàn òun ni wọ́n máa ń wá ọlọ́run dẹ̀ nígbà fún wọn ṣe gbogbo àwọn ọ̀bàyéjẹ́ Nàìjíríà ọlọ́run máa táṣìírí yín èmi mọ̀ pé one day ọlọ́run ọba sọ pé òun dé á dẹ̀ flush gbogbo wọn dànù ọjọ́ ń bọ̀ lórí olúwàwí àwọn onírìn jù báyìí lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Very Dark Man ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV tí n bá tún gbọ́ any information lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Very Dark Man or any information tí n bá rí pé ó máa wúlò fún ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi ò ní hesitate láti wá mú fún yín ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV ire o.